Greetings, everyone, and a warm welcome. In this video presentation, I will be covering multiple choice questions, MCQs, focused on the fundamentals of computer sciences. Dear viewer, if you want to practice these MCQs, turn off the volume of your mobile phone during the first round. Then, in the second round, turn on the volume to check your answers. For MCQs on other topics, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let us try to solve some important MCQs one by one from the topic. Question 1. What is the binary equivalent of the decimal number 101? A. 011001. B. 1,100,101. C. 110,101. D. 1,100,100. The correct answer to question 1 is option C. 110,101. Explanation. The binary equivalent of the decimal number 101 is 110,101. Question 2. Which programming language is commonly used for web development? A. Java, B. Python, C. HTML, D. C++. The correct answer to question 2 is option C. HTML. Explanation. HTML, Hypertext Markup Language, is primarily used for creating web pages. Question 3. Which data structure follows the last in, first out, LIFO principle? A. Queue, B. Stack, C. Linked list, D. Tree. The correct answer to question 3 is option B. Stack. Explanation. A stack follows the last in, first out, LIFO principle, where the last element added is the first one to be removed. Question 4. What is the purpose of an operating system? A. Manage hardware and software resources. B. Write program code. C. Design user interfaces. D. Create databases. The correct answer to question 4 is option A. Manage hardware resources. Explanation. An operating system manages hardware and software resources, provides user interfaces, and facilitates communication between software and hardware. Question 5. Which of the following is a high-level programming language? A. Assembly language, B. Machine language, C. C++, D. Binary code. The correct answer to question 5 is option C. C++. Explanation. C++ is a high-level programming language that is easier for humans to understand and write. Question 6. What is the function of an algorithm? A. Store data. B. Perform a specific task. C. Connect to the internet. D. Display graphics. The correct answer to question 6 is option B. Perform a specific task. Explanation. An algorithm is a step-by-step procedure or formula designed for solving a specific problem or completing a specific task. Question 7. What is the file extension for a Word document? A. Docs. B. .txt. C. .pdf. D. .x. The correct answer to question 7 is option A. Docs. Explanation. Docs is the file extension for Microsoft Word documents. Question 8. Which component is responsible for storing data permanently in a computer? A. RAM. B. CPU. C. Hard disk drive, HDD. D. Cache memory. The correct answer to question 8 is option C. Hard disk drive, HDD. Explanation. The hard disk drive, HDD, is a storage device used for permanent data storage. Question 9. What is the purpose of a compiler in programming? A. Execute programs. B. Debug programs. C. Convert source code to machine code. D. Manage memory. The correct answer to question 9 is option C. Convert source code to machine code. Explanation. A compiler translates high-level programming code into machine code that can be executed by a computer. Question 10. Which of the following is a protocol used for sending emails? A. HTTP. B. FTP. C. SMTP. D. TCP. The correct answer to question 10 is option C. SMTP. Explanation. Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, SMTP, is used for sending emails over the internet. Question 11. What does the acronym HTML stand for? A. Hypertext Markup Language. B. Hypertransfer Markup Language. C. High-Level Textual Markup Language. D. Hardware and Text Markup Language. The correct answer to question 11 is option A. Hypertext Markup Language. Explanation. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, used for creating web pages. Question 12. What is the purpose of a firewall in computer networks? A. Block unwanted emails. B. Prevent unauthorized access. C. Accelerate internet speed. D. Encrypt data transmission. The correct answer to question 12 is option B. Prevent unauthorized access. Explanation. A firewall is a network security device that monitors and controls incoming and outgoing network traffic to prevent unauthorized access. Question 13. What is the purpose of an IP address in computer networking? A. Identify a device on the internet. B. Store files on a computer. C. Manage software installations. D. Control printing tasks. The correct answer to question 13 is option A. Identify a device on the internet. Explanation. An IP address uniquely identifies a device on a network, allowing for communication between devices. Question 14. In the context of databases, what does SQL stand for? A. Simple query language. B. Structured question language. C. Standard query language. D. Systematic query language. The correct answer to question 14 is option C. Standard query language. Explanation. SQL stands for Structured Query Language, used for managing and manipulating relational databases. Question 15. Which of the following is an example of a non-volatile memory? A. RAM. B. Cache memory. C. Hard disk drive, HDD. D. Register. The correct answer to question 15 is option C. Hard disk drive, HDD. Explanation. Non-volatile memory retains data even when the power is turned off, and an HDD is an example of such memory. Question 16. Which data structure follows the first in, first out, FIFO principle? A. Queue. B. Stack. C. Linked list. D. Tree. The correct answer to question 16 is option A. Queue. Explanation. A queue follows the first in, first out, FIFO principle, where the first element added is the first one to be removed. Question 17. What is the purpose of a compiler in programming? A. Execute programs. B. Debug programs. C. Convert machine code to source code. D. Manage memory. The correct answer to question 17 is option C. Convert machine code to source code. Explanation. A compiler translates high-level programming code into machine code that can be executed by a computer. Question 18. Which programming language is known for its simplicity and readability, making it suitable for beginners? A. Java. B. Python. C. C++. D. Assembly language. The correct answer to question 18 is option B. Python. Explanation. Python is known for its simplicity and readability, making it beginner-friendly. Question 19. What is the purpose of the DNS, domain name system, in computer networking? A. Convert IP addresses to domain names. B. Encrypt data transmission. C. Manage email communication. D. Control access to websites. The correct answer to question 19 is option A. Convert IP addresses to domain names. Explanation. DNS translates domain names into IP addresses, facilitating communication on the internet. Question 20. Which programming language is commonly used for developing mobile applications? A. Java. B. Swift. C. C#. D. Ruby. The correct answer to question 20 is option A. Java. Explanation. Java is a widely used programming language for developing mobile applications, especially for Android platforms. Thank you everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Education and Teacher Education, at Shokeen Bilal.